Oops.
What's up, fam? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, kindly subscribe, tap the bell for notifications so that you can always get notified whenever I'm posting. So today I'm going to be learning as I show you how coconut milk is made the traditional way. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it. Since I'm doing it the traditional way, I will not use a blender. I will use an equipment known as Mbuzi, which is the wooden equipment that you see next to the basket holding the coconut. I will also use Kifumbu, which is the coconut strainer, because I'm not using a sieve. This is Kifumbu. He's turning it inside out to get it ready for work. What are you putting in there?
This one, you put the shavings from the coconut in it.
Okay.
So like,
yeah.
Nyorosha miguu. Nyorosha kabisa. Straight. There we go. Straight. Straight. Yeah.
Okay.
Straight. Okay, we straight. There we go. That way. There we go.
Like
yes.
that?
Yes.
Then?
Your knee is going to hurt you. Bas. There we go.
Straight like that?
Yes.
Then?
Start up and down movements and then sideways.
Like that?
Yes. Alafu peleka around.
What am I even doing?
Yep. There we go. Peleka around kidogo. Aha. There we go.
You see, I'm doing a good job.
Oh yes. And you can also roast it.
Roast this?
Yeah, and you can make what they call anglo toffee.
Anglo toffee?
Yes.
What's that? Sweet?
A sweet, yeah.
Okay, I need to get rid of these extra ones, right?
Yes. You can use the fiber for fire.
Done.
Yes.
So once you are done, you put the coconut shavings into the kifumbu or the coconut strainer so that you can be able to squeeze out the milk.
We're going to squeeze out the liquid that is in it.
There's none?
There's a lot of liquid in it.
There's none.
You'll see, there's some.
Okay, then what do you squeeze the liquid? You throw it away?
We're going to keep, that's how we're making the milk.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, you go ahead. I'm recording this so I can see the procedure. What about these other ones that are already now, like those parts?
This one's...
Will they have an effect?
Nah.
So the next step, you need to squeeze the coconut milk out of the kifumbu. So let's do this. Ah.
Still a drop coming. There we go.
So there should be nothing coming.
There's still some more. There we go. It is. Yes. Yeah.
It's so dry.
Very, very dry. Yeah.
So you're using it for manure now?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Take it round, circular motions.
Here?
Yeah. And you can also put some on the endoma.
I've put on here.
All there. It's okay. Yeah. Still some more there.
Okay.
That is cocoyam. Cocoyam.
Cocoyam?
Yes. In Ghana, they eat the leaf of this. They call it scontombre.
Scontombre?
Yes.
Alright, so that is how coconut milk is prepared the traditional way. I hope you learned something because I totally enjoyed making this video. My first time doing this. I know next time I will do a better job. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, bye-bye.
Ano baba, ano mayo, arabai, nikunena andaba, amisheni kamajema, kamarima, nimipono lewe lewe, kutembera yokasi.